Hello guys, this is our 4 RC cars and 1 helicopter. In this video we have to see how to lift the helicopter and see that which cars goes up. Let me tell you the names of the cars involved in this video. First of all, RC Land Cruiser, Bugatti Veyron, Lamborghini and Mercedes AMG and a helicopter. Now start the video, so please watch till end and don't skip. I flying the helicopter over the cars separately. I will show you my cars again. Request from my YouTube team that I have been working on it for a long time. You request that my channel go viral. Thank you. Like, share, comments and don't forget to subscribe. RcSpeed96. Thanks for watching.